Hey everybody, it's Mina. So let's go ahead and get started and let me tell you everything that I used. All right, so what you're looking at is cotton canvas. I got cotton canvas because it's sturdy, it's stiff, and that's what we need and want when we're ironing or pressing. Now, what you're looking at is 100% cotton batting. You want 100% cotton batting to press on. And I got both these fabrics from Joann's. You're going to need machine screws and nuts, and I got these from my local hardware store. All right. And for the wood that I used a 1/2 inch 2x4, and I got this from Home Depot. Perfect size. All right, so these are wood screws. I found these in my garage, and I just use these just to pre-drill the holes in my wood. All right, and here is my little nifty little hand drill. I just love my hand drill. This is a hand-me-down from my sweetie pie, and I just love it. I use it for everything. All right. Yes, look at her. All right, so there's Blaze. He wants to get in the picture. All right, so this is my iron. This is the wood sitting on top of the ironing board. What I did is I marked a little black mark, and that's just a little placement mark. So when I'm removing the wood from the ironing board, I'll know where to place it. This is the ironing board laying on the wood. I'm just going to take a pencil and just mark the holes where I'm going to pre-drill. And this is just showing you where I pre-drilled the holes at, and I screwed the screws in. All right, there's that little hand drill again that I love so much. Um, Next, here is the ironing board sitting upright, and I'm just showing you where I took the nuts and screwed them into the screws. And that's to secure the wood to the ironing board. Yes, there's Blaze again, wanting to be famous. All right, anyways, back to my project. Okay, again, this is just me showing you how sturdy the wood is. It's attached to the ironing board with the nuts. Yeah, so this is just me taking my little rusty little wrench, tightening up the nuts, making sure that that wood is nice and flush and tight up against that ironing board. I don't want a wobbly ironing board. Yeah, don't laugh at my rusty little wrench. It serves me well, but I'll be upgrading soon. Again, this was a hand-me-down from my sweetie pie. But yeah, use that wrench to tighten up those nuts, making sure that wood is nice and secure onto that ironing board. Yeah. All right, so don't make this mistake. I went ahead and I placed a screw or a bolt right in the path of where the legs go up and down. So only thing I did is I just removed it and I placed it elsewhere. I placed a couple of screws elsewhere. But yeah, try not to make that mistake. All right, so here is my ironing board laying on the batting. What I did is I cut the batting about 2 inches wider than the board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my heavy duty stapler. I'm going to staple the batting to the board. I'm going to staple it down real secure. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the canvas. Cut it about 2 inches wider and then staple it all around. All right, here is my ironing board. It is all finished. I love it. Now, I probably could have pulled the canvas a little bit tighter because you see some little wrinkles there, but that's fine. This ironing board will serve its purpose. I love it. It's wider. Um, I have more room to, iron, to press. I could probably press some curtains if need be, but if you like this project, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Um, and I can't wait to put my ironing board in my sewing studio. Thanks for watching.